Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show you how to make a professional YouTube outro by using Canva. A well-designed outro can help you leave a lasting impression on your viewers and encourage them to subscribe to your channel or watch more of your videos. So let's get started. If you haven't already, just sign up for Canva. Canva offers a free and paid subscription with more features. And once you have signed up, you can start creating your outros. Canva has a variety of templates for YouTube outros. Just here search for the YouTube outro. And now from here, select anyone that you want. Choose the one that matches your channel styles and personality. And after choosing the right one, you can simply click on it and then click on Customize this template. In the left side, you can see there are some more templates. Let's delete both of these. I'm going to play the video. And now to edit this video, just tap on it. And now let's delete this one and this one as well. I'm going to place it right here. And then let's add some elements to it for our YouTube. We can use this shape to show our previous video. I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to take a copy of this. And here you can show your previous video. And here you can show your other videos. I'm going to place it right here and this one here. Again, I'm going to do a circle. And this one just right here. Let's add the animation to it. Yeah, this one looks all right. So here we can add a previous video, and here's the latest video, and here's the channel link to subscribe. Now once you're happy with it, just click on File and click on Download. Here select the file type as MP4 and click on Download. And once you're done making your YouTube video, you can simply put this at the end of your video. And that's it. Creating a professional YouTube outro is very easy with Canva. With its customizable templates and animation options, you can create an outro that encourages your viewers to subscribe or watch more of your videos. So, what you're waiting for? Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.